Hey guys, how to use Slicer, or you can also use this functionality to filter your data. First of all, you'll need a data set, and the data set should be in a table format. If it is not in a table format, just go to insert and click on table, or you can also press Ctrl T. To add the slices, you have to go to insert, then you have to click on slicer. Then here you'll see the list of all the categories which are there in your header. So you can select the headers as per your requirement. So I'll just select segment and country as of now. There are two pop-up on my screen. It says segment and then the other one is country. So I'll just select channel partners, and now my data is filtered for channel partners only. Now if I want to select multiple items at a time, you can either select this option multi-select, or you can press control and then select the second option. Now my data is filtered for enterprise and channel partners. Let's say I want to filter it further, with the country name. Now I'll select Canada. So now my data is filtered for Canada, where the segment is channel partners and enterprise. If I want to see the data for France and Germany, I'll select France and Germany, and the data will be filtered accordingly. So you can leverage this functionality to filter your data in an advanced way. Thank you.